Hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. So today we are going to discuss about how to change themes in Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. So as you know, like in all the Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code, the themes are present, but like many people don't know how to change those themes. So I'm just going to explain you like how to change those themes, and once you change that theme, it will automatically reflect in your Visual Studio as well as in the Visual Studio Code. So in my system I have Visual Studio 2013, Visual Studio 2017 and Studio Code, but I don't have Visual Studio 19, so I can't explain you in Visual Studio 2019, but the options and everything are same. So you can do the same thing as like the Visual Studio 2013 2017 in the Visual Studio 2019. So let me first explain how to do that in Visual Studio 2013. So here you can see this is the start page, but you can open any of the page. So here you can see in the menu bar tools. Okay, so now go to tools and click on options. Then here in the left hand side you can see this environment. Either you can click environment or click on general also, and after that in the right hand side you can see this color theme. Okay, so once you click on this drop down, you can see blue, dark and light. Okay, so currently in Visual Studio 2013 in my system it is blue is there. Let me change it to dark theme and click on OK. So it will take few seconds and automatically it will change that background theme to dark theme. So in the UI you can see it got changed to the dark theme. But let me go again to the options, and here you can see there is another theme, it's light. Okay, so the same way you can change to the light and click OK, so it will automatically change to the light theme. But I usually uh, like this blue theme. So in my system I usually set that one, but it basically depends upon the users to users, like which theme they want to choose, like blue theme, dark theme or light theme. So this is in case of the Visual Studio 2013. Now let me go to the Visual Studio 2017. So here you can see we have the same options called as the tools. Okay, and after that go to options. So here also you can see that same environment, then general. So in the right hand side you can see color theme. So here there are like four themes are present, but in case of the 2013 like three themes are present, like blue, dark and light. So here the same way I like the blue theme, so that's why I selected the blue one. Here they added one extra theme, that is the blue extra contrast. So let me select this one and click OK. So automatically it will change that to the blue extra contrast theme. Like the blue theme and the blue extra contrast, you won't see basically there is much more difference, but if I change to the dark theme, then you will see the dark theme in the background. You can see in the screen like that it got changed to that dark theme. Okay, so let me set back to the blue theme, because I like that one. Right. So this is in case of the Visual Studio 2017, and if you go to the Visual Studio 2019 also the same thing is present. All right, now let me go to the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is my Visual Studio Code, and here we just want to change our theme. Okay, so for that uh, go to file menu and preferences, and here you can see color theme. Okay, and also like we can use the shortcut, like, but here they mentioned the shortcut like control K control T. So I can use the shortcut like control K control T. So automatically it will open that color theme uh, color theme window, and from here you can choose, like so many themes are there, and whatever you want you can choose that one. So for Visual Studio Code I basically like this dark Visual Studio, but there are like so many color themes are there. So let me choose to some different one, like uh, to to show you the changes. So here just click on the red. Okay, so then automatically it will change that to red. So let me use the shortcut again to get that pop-up window for the color theme. Control K, Control T. All right. So if I use the dark plus default dark, then you will see there is a change in the theme section. So if I press again Control K, Control T, all right, then let me use some light theme, light Visual Studio, then you can see the difference. Okay, so I like the dark Visual Studio for the Visual Studio Code, so that's why I'm using this one. So change the color theme in the Visual Studio Code. You need to go to File, then Preferences, then this color theme option. Otherwise, you can use the shortcut edge Control K, Control T, and once you type that Control K and Control T, the pop-up will come and you will select that one. And here you can see there is one more difference, is that there is no OK button like that edge compared to the Visual Studio. So once you select that theme, then automatically it will reflect. So this is all about our today video, like how to change the theme in uh, Visual Studio as well as the Visual Studio Code. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.